Assalamualaikum viewers, this is Atif Rahman with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV. Joining me today is my lovely daughter Mukarrama Ali, and today we will be teaching you how to make Lahori fish using the Shan Masala. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Alright viewers, so the first step is the marination process. I have taken about half kg of Basa fish fillets. So to start off, I will be adding 3 tablespoons of lemon water or lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, three tablespoons of the Lahori Fish Shan Masala, then I have taken 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and just about 1.5 teaspoon of red crushed chili, sorry. Now let us just mix it up. Now we will leave it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour, and then we will put it to bake. Alright viewers, so after 1 hour I have taken 1 baking tray and put some aluminum foil or foil paper on it, and I'm going to just take a brush and slightly put some oil on the aluminum paper, like so. So not so much, just roughly put some oil on, and then I will start putting up the fish fillets like so. And then once I put them on, and then I will put some more oil on them. And here we go. And now I will take some more oil and just put it on top of the fish fillets. And now we're ready to put it in the oven. I have already preheated the oven at 300 degrees. So let us now pour it in. Alright, so we will place it in the oven now for 25 minutes at 300 degrees. Alright viewers, so our perfect baked Lahori fish is ready. Please try this recipe out. If you do, leave a comment below. Please share this with your friends. And until we see you again, take care. Assalamu alaikum.